Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Revolut Standard account. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your money, exchange currencies, and make transactions globally. To get started, download the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play. Then sign up for a standard account. You will need to provide your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to verify your identity by uploading a valid government-issued ID and a selfie. Once you have signed up, you will need to add money to your account. You can do this by linking your debit or credit card, or by transferring money from your existing bank account. Revolut accepts a wide range of currencies, so you can add money in your local currency. After you have added money to your account, you can start using your Revolut card to make transactions. You can use your physical card to make purchases in store, or your virtual card to make online transactions. You can also use the app to send and receive money globally, with competitive exchange rates and low fees. One of the key benefits of Revolut is its real-time exchange rates and low fees. You can exchange currencies at the interbank rate, which is the rate that banks use to exchange currencies with each other. This can save you a significant amount of money compared to traditional banks, which often charge high fees and use unfavorable exchange rates. Another key benefit of Revolut is its budgeting and analytics tools. You can use the app to track your spending, set budgets, and receive notifications when you go over budget. This can help you stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions about how to manage your money. To get the most out of your Revolut Standard account, it is a good idea to familiarize yourself with the app and its features. Take some time to explore the different sections of the app, including the dashboard, accounts, and settings. You should also make sure to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. In conclusion, Revolut Standard account is a powerful tool for managing your money and making transactions globally. By following these steps and taking advantage of the app's features, you can save money, stay on top of your finances, and make the most of your money.